Andy! Andy! Hey, pretending again?
Oh, not.
Can you still show one more magic before you go to Enchanted Kingdom?
Fine.
Remember, the logo there is wizard. You ought to do magic. Can you do magic?
I have.
Can you stand up ka? Come on. I sit up lang. Oh, what's your magic? Wow, I saw you with a coin. What you gonna do with the coin?
I'm gonna make it bigger.
You're gonna make it more? What for? So we have money for tomorrow? Oh yeah, I like that. Okay, let me see. Let me see the 1 peso first. Show it. Okay, there. Okay. Okay, 1. How? Tell me.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. What did that? Oh, but that's not even gonna buy us a taho.
Oh,
Can you still do some?
yes.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Okay, how? Wait, let me see. Let me see the coin. Oh, 5 pesos will become in 3, 2, 1. Hey, what are you laughing?
Nothing!
What? Ay. Oh, pure magic. Pure magic.
It's not black magic.
Yeah, we didn't see. Let me see, 10 pesos. Oh, that's for only a token. How about do you buy some soft drinks or Cobra?
Okay.
Can you still do some? Really? Really? How? Oh, wow. Wait, let me see that first. Show it that to us. The coin, the 10 peso. Where are you gonna get that? Let me see. Show it first. Oh, there. 10 peso will become... How many? How much is that? 50 pesos? Oh, so you
It's
have...
not handsome.
Oh yeah, so you have for soft drinks and for what? Hey, where are you looking? Hey, where are you looking?
Nothing.
Soft drinks and for maybe egg?
No.
No, maybe maybe you can still do some magic
Yeah.
to make it a lot bigger. 50 pesos. Show it to us. 50 pesos will become in 3, 2, 1. Wait. Wow, how can you do that? Let me see. Purple. Oh, 100 pesos. Really?
Yeah.
If you make it 500, you can play also with the play games there at Enchanted Kingdom. Can you still do it? Can you still do that? Mandy? Wait, I can hear you.
Yes.
Are you gonna say some spell or so the magic will work?
Yes, I will make a spell.
Okay, do it now. Show the magic here, like this. Show it to you. Oh, 100 pesos. What? Louder.
Make this 2, please. 5, red.
Whoa! Let me see. Oh my God, you're gonna be the rich Mandy. Oh my God, can you do it one more time? The bigger one?
Okay.
How?
Let's do Abracadabra.
Abracadabra. One more and Mandy will get. Hey! Oh man, you didn't do it. One more. Can you do? Focus. Close your eyes.
It fall down.
Close your eyes. What's saying? Shake. You're rich.
I'm
Show
red.
it to us. Let me see. Okay, so we have allowance for tomorrow, right? Wait. Is that a play money?
No.
No, are you sure?
No.
If that's real, can you peer it? Hey, no!